There's another severe thunderstorm warning, but now what is going to be this time?
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Livingston County in central Illinois, southwestern York County in northeastern Illinois, Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois until 8:45 p.m. At 7:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Odell or near Dwight, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, Odell or near Dwight, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail.
It looks like it's hitting. Looks like we have this time it's moving northeast. It's likely to hit Juliet soon. Interstate 80 is included along with Interstate 55.
Tornado watch number 255 will enter effect at 10 p.m. For 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, which includes the following counties: in Banana, Cook, DeKalb,